come say hi. I was gonna wait to start this video till tomorrow, but I want to show you guys just how much stuff I have. Just got home, it's like 10 and we brought everything in, and so I'm gonna start cleaning stuff tonight. That's why I'm starting this right now. Oh, by the way, hi, this video is gonna be like most productive week in my life because I really need to clean like my entire house. I'm actually really excited about it because I'm a clean freak, low-key. So I'm gonna show you. Wow, it's like I'm a hoarder. That's a lot of stuff. But yeah, basically we drove for 20 hours. Now I'm home and I'm gonna start this crazy week. And yeah. Hey guys, so it is the official start of this video. I just wanted to hop on here and clarify a couple things. For starters, you guys are on a new camera. I bought a new camera. I also didn't look at the new camera as much as I should have. I'm kind of just testing it out to see if I like it still, but I'm probably gonna have to return it and get a new one, but I don't think you really care about that. But the other stuff that I'm talking about. First off, I was going to make this video like the most productive week of my life, which I think I mentioned, and this week I am positive it's still gonna be super productive because you can't really tell from my room, but I have so much stuff that I need to do. It's pretty much just cleaning. Actually, I have some other stuff. I was also gonna wake up at like a crazy time at like 4 or 5 a.m. or something every day, but unfortunately I just could not do that today. So it's 10 a.m. right now, which is a pretty normal time for me, but I also went to sleep late last night. I also haven't been sleeping great just because we've been traveling and stuff. But good morning. Today is... It's Thursday. Today is pretty much a full cleaning day. I need to go to the dentist, but of course we need to start the day off with coffee. One thing I did bring back with me from California, unfortunately, was not the weather. I woke up to this and I was literally like, what? But I did bring back my coffee addiction. So we were already home at like 10 something, but I was like, please Dad, please, can we go get some coffee? He loves me. So we went to grocery outlet and I got my cold brew. No. Open you. But make it sound so easy. Yo, what? That was a lot easier, just saying. Yay! Hey friends, so I just finished at the dentist. This was my first time driving in so long, so it was really weird. I'm having like literally the time of my life. I miss driving so much. I'm gonna go to Target because why not? I want to prolong my driving. I want to go walk around Target. Oh, how'd we end up here? So I'm gonna go walk around Target for a while. I also backed up for the first time. Okay. Not me going to Target to buy more coffee. Guys, look, you can see the sky now. It's cream of wheat time. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm just editing a video right now. I have my coffee, my cream of wheat. I'm just gonna eat and edit until I have to pick my dad up from the car dealership. Hello, I'm doing more cleaning. I'm on to these fat suitcases. I have absolutely no clue what's in them.
But remember, don't hesitate to call on me for anything. Thank you.
Hello, little update. I'm trying to make this as concise as possible so you're not just like watching me clean my entire house. I put pretty much everything away. All that I have left is clothes, which is like a big majority of it. But yeah, I just have a bunch of like bags of clothes everywhere. So I gotta figure out where all of that's gonna go. I just wanna get my room like clean and settled tonight. I'm gonna start decorating it and deep cleaning it soon. I'm listening to Taylor Swift's new album and it's pretty good. We're doing well.
I'm going to make you take that chance. Things have been different for me ever since I met Hildy. I've never met anyone quite like her before.
I'm so tired. This is so sad. Hi. This is probably a fifth of the clothes that I need to put away because I still have like 5 garbage bags. Okay, so far this is what we're working with for the closet. Cleaned up a lot of stuff on the floor. And then this, so far, everything that I'm gonna be giving away to you guys. Also have all of this stuff that I don't even know what this is. I have to look through that. That's like my summer clothes. That is the progress so far.
Hi, glad you're home.
Okay, look how organized she is. I'm hungry, and my mom just came home from errands and getting a fruit bowl, and we're gonna cook together, which is basically we're just roasting veggies, but she has her whole recipe book here. She's gonna teach me how to make veggies, and they're gonna be amazing. My fruit bowl. I got persimmons, grapes, and I'm gonna help my mom chop veggies up now. Look how massive these are. Like, I have small hands, but look, it's like the size of my face. Oh my gosh. Guys, I literally still out of breath. I thought I was done. I'm not close to done. I have like more bags, so I brought more stuff up. I'm gonna bring my clothes so I can talk to you while I do this, actually. I think I'm going brain dead from doing this for so long or something. I have no clue what's going on right now. Guys, literally, like 10 hours later, and I have pretty much finished my closet. So I'm gonna show you. This is what it looks like. A big overview. That took a solid, how long did that take me? Literally the whole day. I've been working on this since I got home, and I'm so tired, and it's actually giving me a headache. So I'm gonna go eat some Brussels sprouts and decorate the tree with my mom now. Guys, look how good this looks. And I love it when they're kind of burnt. I don't know if that's bad. You know, when your parents get a bunch of groceries or like you're just stocked on food, like that's how I feel every time once I have veggies, and I'm just so excited to eat them. My dad made what is this? Turkey, pork, something. My mom seasons the sweet potatoes. That's some recipe. She seasons it with like cinnamon and cayenne. And I used to think cinnamon on sweet potatoes is weird, but it's so good. So good. So good. Beautiful. So we're gonna listen to Christmas music, decorate our tree. Hi, Russell! Hi, cutie! Nice. Look, oh, this is so cute. These two were some of my favorites. Like it?
Very full in one section there. I don't think that's gonna stay.
I think it's this nut. Keep it like that for now, it's funny.
Okay.
Nice. We have a lot of catching up to do, but we're not a fan of them. No.
Amazing.
So we're getting really festive. I'm whipping these out. Look, I also have to label everything so that my dad didn't eat all of them. Yeah. Christmas vibe. Good morning, it's Friday. I came downstairs finally to get some coffee and get my new socks for the day. Coffee, my socks for the day. I'm gonna mix things up and actually like get a little bit ready today. Just put some like makeup on because I got some PR stuff that I want to play with, so I figured I would just do that for fun. And I'm gonna do a devotional and then I'm gonna get started on another full day of cleaning. Finish my Devo, finish my makeup, responding to comments because I just uploaded a video. I'm gonna sit here, respond to comments for a little, and then I'm probably gonna go make some food because I'm getting a little bit hungry. And then I'm gonna start cleaning. Fruit cutting time. Doing this so much. Overview of what my room looks like currently. Ooh, I also want to show you my inspiration. It's really similar to the room I had in Huntington. Kind of like indie looking. I really like this one. LOL, midway there. I'm trying to dust. Okay guys, we have made a lot of progress. Finally made my bed. I really love how these crates look. I have a lot of plants. I have a clock that very much doesn't work. It's definitely a little more cozy, cluttery, and that's what we got so far. I think the next step is this whole wall is really blank. I'm gonna put like my records and like some photos and posters up in that corner. Hi guys, I am finally pretty much done with my room. So I'm gonna give you a little overview. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Hello everybody, I'm with mi madre. And what are we doing?
We're going to Road to Bethlehem. It's a drive-through of the nativity scene.
Yeah, and then we're gonna go home and watch The Bachelor.
Her name is Eli. They told her God had chosen her. Therefore, the Lord go on to Bethlehem.
So cute.
Hi, Russell. Whoa. Baking, and I'm listening to All Too Well by Taylor Swift. Trying to find it after plaid shirt. Of course, he's always saw this thing where you put one of these inside a chocolate chip cookie, so I'm trying that. I don't even know if that'll taste good, but we'll figure that out later. With Kira, we made our own pizza! And then we're gonna bake. Look how stocked Kira is. With her cookie baking station!
Like 30% of
Those are cookies over Before. Beautiful. Finished product.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Cookie batch number 2. We got coffee. We're at church. Look at this innovative stuff. Wow. Ooh. I've just been editing, but I just cooked with some of my leftover Thai food. It's literally my favorite hobby. I don't know if that's a hobby, but oh. Okay, so right here my friend came over and we were supposed to bake, but then unfortunately my power went out, so we ended up making Christmas cards. Update vlog, the power went out because somebody hit a tree. So I'm with my dad that you can't see because we don't have light. Actually, look, DIY lighting. We're gonna do this puzzle here. Right, Dad?
Is that you on there?
Yeah. Puzzle time, puzzle time, puzzle time. Hi guys, it's a lot later. As you saw, the power went out, but as you can see now, the power's back on. I'm getting into my Christmas gift wrapping mode. Yes. So as you can see here, I have my whole setup, a bunch of stuff that needs to be wrapped, wrapping paper. Right now I'm putting on a concert for my dad while I make hot cocoa. Hey! Hey family! Again, just to break me like a promise. Time won't fly, it's like I'm paralyzed by it. I find it, I walk home alone. First week. How much cocoa powder do you put in this? You actually learn the lyrics to this song so we can all sing it together. Oh look, it's replaying again. I guess we have to listen to it again. I don't know how to make hot chocolate. I looked it up, but it looked really hard. So now I'm just winging it. What was you? The air was cold. Maybe we got lost in translate for too much, but maybe this thing was a masterpiece. Breaking like a be honest. I'll know I'm trying to do you making voila. Gift wrapping progress. I did like 5 gifts last night. Hi, cutie. Sock time. There we go. Oop, that wasn't nice. Socks for the day. Nice. Cute. There's something in there. These are so cute. So cute. Okay, so I'm with my mom. Kira and I finished making cookies, and they're literally so good. Tell them.
They are so good. How cute these are?
They're so good.
They're so
yeah.
good.
So I ate like 5 cookies. My mom and I are gonna wrap gifts and eat some artichoke dip. But I'm gonna end off this vlog because it's very long and I need to edit it. Okay, so bye guys. See you in the next video.
Bye, Merry Christmas.
Bye, Merry Christmas. Hello. Oops.
I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily.